Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unsubscribe from Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, this is the interface of Badoo. Now what you want to do is simply unsubscribe from our Badoo subscription. To do that, what you need to do is simply go to settings. Follow me step by step. Step 1. Let's go to the profile button right here. It's right next to chat, simply click on it. Now this is your profile page. Now let's move on to step 2. At the top right, you will find the settings icon, simply click on it. And right here is the settings page. Well, there are lots of options, but worry not. Let's move on to step 3 right now. Right below control your experience, you will see something like payment settings. Click on it. And this is your payment settings. Well, as you can see, I have not subscribed to Badoo, but in context that you have subscribed, it will show something like Badoo Premium, subscribe, and instead of this subscribe button, it will show you something like unsubscribe. Simply click on the button, then it will ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on confirm or unsubscribe, and then you will be unsubscribed from Badoo Premium. Well guys, that's it. That's how we unsubscribe from Badoo. Hope that clears your confusion. Hope you found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.